Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tech reviews and comparisons. Today, we will be comparing two gaming monitors, Sceptre Gaming Monitor and Acer Nitro KG241Y SBeep. We have split the screen into two halves, and we will be evaluating both monitors in separate categories. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. Sceptre Gaming Monitor features a larger 30-inch curved display with a 21:9 aspect ratio and a thin bezel. Its VESA wall mount pattern allows you to easily mount it on the wall. Acer Nitro KG241Y SBeep is a great option for those who want a smaller display. It features a 23.8-inch screen with a zero-frame design and ergonomic tilt, making it easy to adjust to your preferred position. Sceptre Gaming Monitor has a higher refresh rate with DP up to 200 Hz and HDMI 2.0 up to 120 Hz, while Acer Nitro KG241Y SBeep offers 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, VRB. Both options have AMD FreeSync Premium technology, which reduces screen tearing and stuttering for a smoother gaming experience. Sceptre Gaming Monitor has a 250 candelas per square meter brightness with a viewing angle of 170 degrees H, 170 degrees V, while Acer Nitro KG241Y SBeep has a color saturation of NTSC 72%. Both provide a great picture quality, but Sceptre performs better due to its higher brightness level. Sceptre Gaming Monitor has DP and HDMI ports for connectivity, while Acer Nitro KG241Y SBeep features one DisplayPort 1.2 and two HDMI 2.0 ports, one of which also works as a headphone jack. Both monitors have VESA mounting compliance. Sceptre Gaming Monitor features AMD FreeSync technology, FPS RTS display settings, blue light shift, built-in speakers, and anti-flicker technology. Acer Nitro KG241Y SBeep is HDR-ready, boasting a higher color gamut and supports more advanced picture technology. Depending on your needs, Sceptre provides more features for a better gaming and multitasking experience. That's all for our comparison of Sceptre Gaming Monitor and Acer Nitro KG241Y SBeep. Both monitors offer great features, but they are designed to meet different preferences. If you're looking for a bigger screen with more features, Sceptre Gaming Monitor would be a better choice for you. Acer Nitro KG241Y SBeep suits those who prefer a smaller display with advanced picture technology. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great tech content.